Welcome to the channel. When it comes to fast lenses like this 1.8, you tend to assume that everything is not sharp, wide open. The depth of field is very small, so you are out of focus very quickly. I think the nice thing about the faster lenses is that you still have enough space left to stop down while retaining bokeh. Wide open, the background is sometimes even completely wiped out, which is not interesting. This is a nice lens that does not differ much in quality from the non-electric version. Lens elements will be no different.